Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about 3D AutoCAD Classic. Here, look at this. This is AutoCAD Classic workspace we will do right now. So let's start AutoCAD Classic in cylindrical helix sketch design. So right now we have first selection. Here the 3D AutoCAD 3D Classic, and let's start how to work from. Look at this cylindrical helix curve. Here the view right now. Look at this. It is different view. We have get selection, top view working. We have a top selection. Isometric view work. We have selection isometric. So now let's start helix, cylindrical helix curve. Start from 3D curve here. Let's go from number of quantity. I have go to twist in vertical distance. I want to get adjust this curve. Look at this here, adjustment of curve here. When turn, I have go to increase right now. Turn is 5 6 time, then distance is 14. Here make the helix curve. Then also I will go to switch 3D modeling. Now here you can see this. I make 4 helix spiral curve right now, and I want get properly adjustment. Well, look at this. I get selection here. Now look like this diagram. Helix curve is proper adjustment, and we move some distance. Right now, first of all, I get use for sweep command. Right here, enter this sweep command. When first I have create the first sketch, second sketch I have go to use for circle here. This is simple circle. Let's start from circle here. But the circle is same position right now, but I want get circle is opposite position. So again I will show you the change this view here. When let's go change the view front side. Look here, change the view. Then let's start circle. Here you can see that one circle I have go to create. Then after use 3D isometric view. See this here, 3D isometric view. And also I get use the sweep command. This one, select this circle, enter, and click this spline, right? So here you can see that make this. When I go to show you isometric view in 3D wireframe, So when let's visual style, here you can see that visual style and get 3D. So this is convert from like coil here. This is the simple coil design. Now let's how to work step by step. Again I will show you how to do that. When first of all click this back, when I get here back, this is helix spiral. When I use from here AutoCAD Classic. So let's when I get the view, this is used for front view, and also I have make this circle, use from circle this point. Look at this one, then exit from here, go to isometric view. Now let's check this isometric view. Then after ISO I will go to use from swept command. When otherwise I want get the setting for, click this line and get the setting here. When I want click the 45 distance, so and get the 45, and also I get this radius is going to be 12 mm, so it's like that 12 here, and upper dimension is, now let's again I will show you the maximum here, 20. Look at this, this one I have go to, this is the static, and now let's again I will show you how to do that. So here complete this, and now again I will show you views here. First selection this view, I will show you front view. Then this circle has position to exit here, then I get the position. Then right now again I will show you isometric view. When switch the isometric view, here you can see that isometric view. Now let's how to do that conical type of curve design. So let's use for home page, and this is the swift command. Enter the swift command, then click this line and select the circle, then enter, then also select line, and here you can see that when again I will show you 3D wireframe. Look at this, convert from 3D while design. It's a very useful and okay.